How's it going, y'all? It's me, Noah, here. We're at the South San Francisco Caltrain station. We're going to be rail fanning here for a little bit. Here comes Caltrain 409. This is the third northbound limited stop train of the of the morning rush hour, making select stops to 4th and King Street station in San Francisco. 2 by car, 3353 coach, 3355 coach. Here's Caltrain 409. Alright, y'all, here goes Caltrain 409 to 4th and King Street station in San Francisco, making select stops. The next stop for this train will be 22nd Street station in in San Francisco. 335 leading, 3351 coach, 3352 by car, 3353 coach, 3355 coach, 3356 by car, and 336 trailing. Alright, y'all, there goes Caltrain 409 to 4th and King Street station in San Francisco, making select stops. The next stop for this train will be 22nd Street station in San Francisco. It'll be skipping through Bayshore. And here comes Caltrain 114. This is a southbound local train making all stops to Diridon station in San Jose. What set do we have on the 114? This is the 331, 332 set. 332 leading, 3316 by car, 3315 coach, 3313 coach, 3312 by car, 3311 coach, and 331 trailing. Alright, y'all, here's Caltrain 114 making all stops to Diridon station in San Jose. I think that passenger in that wheelchair is trying to get on, which means I think the train's going to depart a little late. Yep, there he goes, getting on. Passenger got on. Alright y'all, here goes Caltrain 114 to Diridon Station in San Jose, making all stops. The next stop for this train will be San Bruno. Here it is, pulling out 3 minutes late. The time it's supposed to be at San Bruno by 8:43 in the morning. Alright y'all, there goes Caltrain 114 to Diridon Station in San Jose, making all stops. Next stop for that train will be San Bruno. Alright y'all, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. Don't go anywhere, stick around. Still more to come. Alright y'all, here's the South City Switcher. The Union Pacific South City Switcher right there. $15.16 and $11.31 on the South City Switcher. There's the South City Switcher right there. 15.16 and 11.31 on the South City Switcher. Well, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. Alright y'all, here comes Caltrain 412 approaching. This is the last southbound limited stop train of the morning rush hour, making select stops to Diridon Station in San Jose, and I'm going to be getting on this train to get back down to Menlo Park. What set will we have on our 412?
Attention, train 113 approaching.
This is the 319, 320 set. 320's leading and 319's trailing. Here comes Caltrain 113. That's a northbound local train making all stops to 4th and King Street station in San Francisco.
This is Southbound Route Train 412.
Right here.
Last stops to San Jose Terminal. Stop, Caltrain.
Here's Caltrain 113, 329, 330 set, 329 leading, 3291 coach, 3292 bike car, 3293 coach, 3295 coach, 3296 bike car, and 330 trailing. That's a northbound local train making all stops to 4th and King Street station in San Francisco. And here we are pulling out of South San Francisco right on time at 9:01 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, with our next stop being Millbrae. We're going to be skipping through San Bruno. Alright y'all, have a good one. See you in the next video. Peace.